Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are fine. Welcome to our English class. Dear students, if you have not purchased books by now, please do hurry as soon as possible. Now move to our today's lesson. We are going to pronounce some difficult words and write them. Our first word is restaurant. Restaurant. Restaurant is some place where you eat outside your home. जहाँ पे आप घर से बाहर जाके कहीं पे खाना खाते हैं. That is restaurant. Tiffin carrier. Tiffin carrier is a sport you use to hold your tiffin or lunch boxes. Carrying. Carrying. Carrying means किसी चीज़ को उठाना. Basket. Basket. Basket means टोकरी where you can put fruits or something else. Buying. Buying. Buying means खरीदना. जब आप पैसे देकर कोई चीज़ लेते हैं. Cutting. Cutting. Cutting means काटना. She cuts fruits with knife. Next word is laughing. Laughing. Laughing means हंसना. जोर से कह के लगाना. Hungry. Hungry. Hungry का मतलब है भूखा. It is name of country too, but don't get confused by it. The word here hungry means bhuka. Our second last word is selling. Selling. Selling means बेचना. जब आप किसी चीज़ के बदले में पैसे लेते हैं. Our last word is ice cream. Ice cream. Something that is very cold and frozen. Very delicious to eat. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you understand me well. See you later. Allah Hafiz.